how to loop video on Instagram story. To get started, first of all, open up the Instagram application on your phone. You will then be taken to the Instagram homepage. Here, you can view posts and stories of your friends or people that you follow on Instagram. Now, on this page, go to the top left corner and tap on your story. Here, you can add pictures and videos to your Instagram story. Tap on the camera icon to take a photo or video. Here, you need to select the boomerang icon on the left side of the screen. Now tap and hold the capture button to take a boomerang video. After you're done, go to the top and tap on the boomerang icon again. Here, you can choose the type of effect that you want on the video. Choose an effect and tap on Done. You can now share this with your friends by adding it to your story. Following these steps, you can easily loop a video on Instagram story.